Hello, friends! Welcome to the HZ English Pod with Liam and Sophie. Today we're talking about something many learners struggle with.
Translating in your head. It's something I used to do a lot.
Same here. You hear something in English and your brain goes, wait, what does that mean in my language?
And by the time you understand it, the conversation has already moved on.
It's slow, it's tiring, and sometimes it makes things confusing.
That's true. So today, we'll share 5 easy tips to help you stop translating and start thinking in English.
Tip 1. Start small. Use English words for objects.
This one is so easy. Just look around you and name what you see in English.
See a chair? Think chair. See a window? Think window.
Don't think of the word in your language. Just go object, English word.
Do this for 5 minutes a day. It trains your brain to connect directly to English.
Tip 2, use pictures instead of translation.
Flashcards are great for this. On one side, a picture. On the other, the English word.
For example, you see a picture of a dog, and you think, dog.
No need to translate it into your language. Your brain connects image plus English. This is fun and works really well for building vocabulary.
Tip 3, use simple English sentences.
This one helped me so much. When you feel something, say it in English in your head. You feel happy? Think, I am happy. You're tired? Think, I am tired.
Or when you do something, you drink water? Think, I drink water. You open the door? I open the door.
It's like narrating your life in simple English. Tip 4. Watch and listen to simple English.
Cartoons are perfect for this. They use easy words, and you can see what's happening.
You hear, look, a ball, and you see the ball. Your brain learns from context, not translation.
Songs for kids are great too, like head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Watch for 10 to 15 minutes a day, and you'll start understanding English naturally.
Tip 5. Be patient and kind to yourself.
This is the most important tip. Be patient.
It takes time to stop translating. You've been doing it for years. It's a habit.
So if you catch yourself translating, don't worry. Just try again. Every small step is progress. Every mistake is part of learning.
Yes, just a little bit every day. And don't forget to smile. You're doing great.
Let's quickly review our 5 tips. 1. Start small. Name objects around you. 2. Use pictures, not translation. 3. Speak simple English sentences. 4. Watch simple shows and songs. 5. Be patient and enjoy the journey.
Thank you for learning with us today.
If you like this episode, share it with a friend and practice together.
And tell us in the comments, what do you see right now? Just one word, in English.
We can't wait to read your answers. See you next time.
Bye everyone. Keep smiling and keep speaking English.